In this video, I'll show you how to build an app with BASE44. First, open your web browser, go to the BASE44 website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click New App to create a new project. Next, describe the app you want to build in the AI prompt. Include the purpose of the app, the features you want, the type of users it will have, and any design preferences. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated app will be. Now, submit your prompt and wait while BASE44 generates your application. It will create the app's interface, set up the project structure, and generate the necessary code. Once the process is complete, review the app to make sure it matches your requirements. After that, continue refining your app by chatting with BASE44. You can ask it to add new features, redesign the layout, fix bugs, connect external APIs, or improve the user experience. After each update, test the app to verify that the changes work as expected. Finally, once you're satisfied with your application, preview it one more time and publish or deploy it using the available deployment options in BASE44. Test the live version to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an app with BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.